Hello everyone, I Manisha Sinha welcome you again to the new series of my video for class 5 chapter 1 part 4 evolution of computers. Children, today we will going to learn about the types of computers. Computers can be classified into the following types with respect to their size, speed, storage capacity and cost. First, microcomputers. These computers are small in size and cheap. They are usually designed for personal use, therefore, are also called personal computers. They are mainly used in homes, schools, offices, shops, banks, etc. These computers are given different names according to their uses. Examples: Commodore 64, IBM PC. Desktop computer. These computers are designed to fit comfortably on top of desk. They typically come with several units such as monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse, which are connected to each other and work like a single unit. Laptops. These computers are small in size and can be placed on the lap. These are battery operated and portable. We can perform all the tasks that we do on a desktop or laptop too. But laptops are more expensive than desktop computers. These computers are mainly used by business travelers. Laptops usually come with 13 to 15-inch screen. Tablets. These computers are smaller and lighter than laptop computers but bigger than smartphones. Instead of a keyboard and mouse, tablets use touch sensitive screen for typing and navigation. Tablets generally have a screen size between 7 to 10 inches. Popular uses of tablet includes reading e-books, watching movies, viewing photos, navigation, browsing net, etc. Second type of computer is mini computers. These computers are bigger in size than the microcomputer. They have higher processing speed and costlier than microcomputers. These computers are capable of supporting 4 to about 200 users simultaneously. They are used in banks, universities, and any other big organizations. Example: PDP 8. Third type of computer is mainframe computers. These computers are very powerful. They are big in size and have a large memory and high speed. They are designed to tackle huge amount of data. More than 100 users can use a mainframe computer simultaneously. These computers are used in networked environment. Mainframe computers are very expensive and used in large business organizations. Universities, banks, scientific laboratories, airline and railway, ticket reservation, stock exchange markets, etc. Examples: IBM Z series, PDP 10 and System Z10. Supercomputers. They are the most powerful computers with a huge processing speed. These computers are used for weather forecasting, space research, satellite control, etc. Examples: Cray 1, Cray 2, Param, Tiane 2, Sunway, Taihu Light, etc. Let's see some points. Param is the series of supercomputers designed and assembled by the Center of Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC, India. The latest machine in the series is Param Shivai. Sumit is the fastest supercomputer in the world as of 2019, developed by IBM for use at Oak Ridge National Laboratory, USA. Thank you.